Welcome back to the channel Pharma Training Solutions. So today shall be discussing capsule dosage form. So what are capsule dosage form? Of course, all of us know that capsules, this is when the powder is enclosed within a what? Within a gelatin capsule shell. A solid dosage form in which a powder or liquid substance is enclosed within a hard or soft soluble shell. Of course, the main component of the shell is gelatin. It's made from gelatin. The main component of the shell is gelatin. Of course, capsules are easy to swallow and they are more stable. Of course, you can hide the unpleasant taste. However, it's not useful for efflorescence or deliquescent materials because which can absorb moisture from the atmosphere. Now, there are two types of capsules. We have the hard and soft. Because the hard one, these are the common ones. These ones, they have two pieces. You have the cap and the body. The soft one is usually one piece, one sealed piece, and different forms. This one is cylindrical in form because we know the amoxicillin, Ampiclox, calf, all those ones, we know them. They are cylindrical. But the soft one, they are in different shapes, oval, tube, and any other. This one, they usually contain powdered drug or pellets. However, this one can contain oily and semi-liquid film. What are the components of the capsule shell? Because as I said, we have gelatin, which is extracted from animal collagen. We have type A obtained from acid treatment of pig skin, or type B obtained using alkaline treatment of demineralized bone. Because all of them are from collagen. Plasticizers is used the soft capsules to make the capsule walls more soft and more flexible. You have the PEG sorbitol and glycerol. Colorants is because all of us know double color. People talk about the capsules. Those ones, they are called double color. All of us know black and pink, yellow and red. So opacifier they used to make the capsules opaque. Once the colorants are used, remember gelatin is a bit translucent, but how do we make it opaque? Is through using opacifiers. Even colorants are used. However, there are some capsules where they have left it transparent. You know them, those ones, augmentin, where you see those with pellets inside. Now, the different sizes of the hard capsules, course 5 to 00. 5 is the smallest, it is 0.13 mil, and of course 000 is the biggest, 1.36. I hope you know this. Different sizes of hard capsules. How do you prepare the fill? Because after knowing the shell, we have to prepare the fill. What are the components of the fill? Of course, it has the API and the excipients. Now, the excipients are the same as in tablets, but just because we don't have binders, because there is no need for binding, because everything will be in the capsule shell. So we have a diluent, disintegrants, and ensure you know the use of each. The use of each. Glidants, lubricants, and others, but we don't need the color, but color can be required in the pellets, because not those pellets. Of course, after you have filled, now filling can be hand in these small ones in the laboratories, or semi-automatic and automatic. These ones, again, I implore you to go on YouTube in case you haven't yet. You don't have access to the pharmaceutical industry, and then watch how capsules are made, because you get how you really understand really understand them better. Sealing, of course, sometimes we are sealed with just cupping them together, or we have hydroalcoholic solvent. Some have screws. I don't know if they're still present today. Gelatin blend for sealing all this one. Of course, we have to polish them because remember here we have not granulated, so we have the powder. So usually they are polished either using a pan or a cloth. There's that cloth where they just pass them to smoothen them. And of course, they are packaged in blisters. This one we know them, the strips, or in large package containers, especially for government drugs. Or soft gelatin capsules. These are one piece, hermetically sealed. Now these are made in one process. The capsule is made at the same time it's being filled and sealed. So it's also important you search how it is made, because it is difficult to just get it from here. But if you get a small video, if you have gone in the pharmaceutical industry which does so, it would be better. Now, of course, the mechanical strength of the soft gelatin capsule is manipulated by what? By addition of a plasticizer. And of course, we have opacifiers and colorants. Now, of course, the shape, round, oval, oblong, tube, any shape, and the fill can have lipophilic liquids, or water soluble liquids, and very many things. Now, the capsule, as I've said, the capsule shell is formed and immediately sealed with the liquid fill. This has been a short presentation on capsules. In case you want more information, you can contact us. As always, I remain Wilson. It has been brought to you by Pharma Training Solution. You can subscribe to the channel and you can contact us. Thank you.